Nermine, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. In this episode, we will make Egyptian chicken shawarma. I will start first by marinating my chicken. I'm gonna add all the spices, the lemon juice, the orange juice, and the orange zest in here. Orange juice. A little bit of salt, not too much at this point. Red pepper flakes. My buharat, sweet paprika, give it very nice color, coriander, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, black pepper, crushed garlic, ginger, white pepper. I add my orange zest, some cinnamon, and we'll grate the nutmeg. It has to be freshly grated. I'm gonna mix everything together. I'll get my griddle. This is a cast iron griddle, which is perfect for making shawarma. Ideally, you leave this shawarma for an hour or several hours in your fridge if you want to absorb all the flavors of the marinade. And then we will come back and we're gonna grill our shawarma on the griddle together. Before I add my chicken to the hot griddle, I'm gonna just brush it with some oil in here. So slowly to my hot griddle, I'm gonna add here my shawarma strips. Now that my shawarma has a beautiful color and it's cooked through, I'm gonna add 1 chopped seeded and diced tomatoes. And I will also sprinkle some parsley here. The tomatoes are gonna take some of the smell and flavor of the grilled chicken. Here I have the flatbread, and you will find the link to the recipe below this video. I'm gonna put my garlic spread. Also the link to the toom or the garlic spread is below the video. Now I'm going to assemble my wrap of shawarma, and this is how I like to do it. I'm gonna take 1 scoop of this luscious garlic spread, put it here in the middle with the back of my spoon. I'm just gonna spread it out. Put a little bit of pickled onions. These are red onions that I soaked in white distilled vinegar, and some sumac. Sumac is a Middle Eastern spice that is very rich in vitamin C and is very citrusy. A piece of cucumber pickled the Egyptian way. Also, you'll find the link below the video. And a little bit, 2 strips of shawarma here. I wrap my shawarma, squeeze it tight. Now I can't wait to bite into my wrap. I would like you to try this recipe in your own kitchen. Don't forget to leave a comment below the video, and I will be back with more interesting recipes from my Egyptian kitchen.